Okay, so here we are on the job. Got the forklift under here. Forklift raised this like it was nothing. This is already loose. Already loose. So it might not be as hard as I think to get this off. I may not have to cut it. So let's get started. I got to disconnect the cables and take the column off, take the plates off, inspect the concrete. I'm sure I'm going to have to install new studs, probably pour a new pad, break this out, and install some new studs. But the forklift raised this like it was nothing, so that worked out great. And then when we're ready to lower the lift down, of course, the should have enough room there.